My name is Pearl Ahlquist-Ruby. I'm a realtor of 28 years. I absolutely love what I do. I have a passion for real estate. I do videos. I do them for you, the buyer, you, the seller, the investor. Every Wednesday, new video. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to talk about winning the housing bid. When you prepare yourself to buy a house and you align yourself with a realtor and a lender, in today's world, and this is September 2020, it's not a let's go find a house, write up a reasonable offer, get it accepted, and buy a house. In September 2020, it's more of a let's go out and bid on a property and hope that we win the bid war. So yes, there are multiple bid wars in our market right now, and it's ugly out there. So I would recommend that you align yourself with an agent that, number one, educates you, tells you how you can make your offer stronger. So there's about 10 to 12 ways to make your offer amazing. Everything from crunching timelines to offering more money above the appraised value. These are all scary things, and if you don't have an agent that explains all this to you, sits down, educates you, and tells you you can do this, but if you do this, this is what happens, or if you do that, then this is what happens. If you don't have that kind of agent working for you, then you have the wrong agent. So align yourself with an agent that knows what they're doing. Figure out how to make your offer as strong as you possibly can so that when you find that right house, you don't have to lose it. You can end up in the home of your dreams.